Prime Minister Sethha Thavisin recently met with the UK's Minister of State for Investment, Lord Dominic Johnson, in the hope of strengthening bilateral trade and establishing a free trade agreement between the UK and Thailand. Sethha did not forget to invite the UK to invest in his much-promoted land bridge project along with other industries. Lord Dominic commented that Sethha has been very active as a salesman in attracting foreign investors and sees opportunities for the UK to invest in Thailand, including in large-scale infrastructure projects like the land bridge.
From my point of view, these big infrastructure projects are really interesting in terms of driving innovation. I'm hoping that if such a project goes ahead, some of our UK infrastructure companies are going to have the opportunity to come and get involved. So when it comes to my role being a salesperson, then I would like to sell UK know-how and technology when it comes to supporting countries in these big ambitions. So we'll see what happens in the future, but obviously we'd love to participate.
Apart from Thailand's Prime Minister and Commerce Minister, Lord Dominic also met Thai business leaders during the UK-Thailand Financial Conference and encouraged more Thai businesses to invest in the UK. According to the UK's Department of Business and Trade, Thailand was the UK's 42nd largest trading partner as of 2023, accounting for 0.3% of total UK trade. As such, Lord Dominic sees huge opportunities. Among the challenges, however, are finding ways to remove market barriers and improving regulatory ties between both countries.
My role's been really split into two, one of which is to promote the UK as a premier investment destination in the world, and also to showcase the government's determination to ensure that we retain that top spot. So it's an important sales role, also making sure that I've got good relationships with these phenomenal companies and these big brands who are investing in the UK. The second half really is to help our companies investing in Thailand have a successful mission and build their businesses to the greatest possible degree. So that's working with the local authorities in terms of removing market barriers. How can we make sure that financial services regulation works for them on the ground in Thailand? And then importantly, how can we encourage more regulatory tie-up between our markets, the London Stock Exchange, the Bangkok Exchange, and so on, to encourage more capital flow, because the investment opportunities between the two countries are highly complementary.
Currently, there's no free trade agreement between the UK and Thailand. Nevertheless, Lord Dominic has high hopes that an FTA can be established in the near future, stating that strengthening trade relationship with Thailand is the UK's priority.
Well, I love the fact people are talking about free trade. I mean, sadly, in the last few years, free trade's taken a bit of a back seat, and the UK is an absolute open economy. Our post-Brexit vision of Britain is a myriad of trade deals across the world. We've just done one with the CPTPP. We just initiated a new one with countries like Turkey and Korea. So having a trade relationship with Thailand is absolutely an enormously important priority for us. But the way you get there is by dealing with some of the foundation blocks beforehand. So the economic partnership that we have, the enhanced trade partnership dialogue that we're in at the moment, is going to lead to MOUs on different sectors, it could be healthcare, financial services, whatever it may be, and that will provide the basis for the reduction of barriers in areas, maybe medicine approvals, financial investment flows, and so on and so forth, that will then allow us to build on a free trade agreement after that. So the long-term ambition is absolutely to have as close a possible trade relationship with Thailand. Both countries will benefit from it.
As to why he wants to encourage more Thai businesses to invest in the UK, he describes their economy to be very stable and predictable, which would benefit long-term decisions in terms of investment. He also thinks that Thailand has a strong manufacturing base in which he sees potential and opportunities in investing in sustainable energy and advanced technology. Nad Bunag reporting for Thai PBS World.